Obama and fat what I say. And then Fedger and come on my own because he may not rise in England. Send me a fancy better. Because I'm a girl neighbor, because I know about Michelle. I'm a assassin with my girl. I'm a committee. I'm a friend. Or him on patrol 1 minute away. I only got some coming or him on patrol 1 minute to an idea my yesterday. I'm going to see if you are watching. I'm so him on patrol. Me, I'm from patrol. My peppermint cracker. My poor hanking. Yeah. And my friend Barros na patrol say for say. If you are bullied, see if you are a friend in Melia. So Charlie, we only have a nice girl. Nah, I'm sorry, from a virus 1, the whole Ghana virus 1. Okay, I know some kind virus 1, the whole Ghana. Petra 2 Ghana in Nano. Man, I'm a Macquay saying 2. Correct. Man, I'm a Macquay saying 2 petrol Ghana. So remember, Macquay binding it to me with 2 petrol, you understand? And I'm more over no. I am more over no, more over no, more. I am okay, more over no, more over no. Ghana airport, I mean, Nadia. Otoka International Airport, I mean, Nadia. Me no to taxi man. What I say? I feel so no. Ghana Water Company. The rivers are there, a Brussels. Now, water company, a big company. Maybe I'm father my airport. Now, I was also a petroleum and team and funny and grand. Okay, my son and the book for the cinema in our president. Okay, did you so I fly the other so to me that girl. I know, Alpha. Right, I was a frozen. Measure what? Measure Asha will bushia. I may be a cow, mammy. I may be a cow, and I may be a cow, so why? Not just one to my own number.
Yeah.
Open to mama.
Papa, sure, going straight to the point.
The friend virus. How's your first name?
I'm Alistair. Yeah.
Nice.
Thank you.
With the mommy introducing me to me can vision me some It's a petrol to Ghana. Don't to attack. Me na makwa na o tu. Me do o betu ya mo frɛ me. Se bia boss on patrol see tu petrol na. Asam na yo de o. O bia na so pese ye tu petrol na patrol ye tu ana na ma ga to do ye tu. E bo sam to mo ntwen kakra. Ayo de. Na ayi wonu kotoka international airport.
Me passion.
Yeah. So me na bia o.
Me passion de ka.
Ona na ya mo tia tax. Abantu yakotoka international airport taxi. Amada mutinze bisha no mani ajiwo. Ana penso yi Ghana water kan. Ai. Sai ndia for company na kom mo me. Sana ma.
Ende wa kasa dia.
Ah, na kom ye mese wada. Oh, na bela mutinze me show obusu nyina. Meshaw ashaw ma na ma show sewa oh meshaw abebi aka oh grandparents mu nyina you scafa
that's why me wa me de me ma beba no ashaw mo
oh ala Mr. Say mama ase enas man kase ya nasa ana ma se sexy Come in. No, it's in car. Airport in the buy. Airport in the buy. I was like, I'm a cassette. Man, I make for this camera. Come on, man.